in case you have ever got a challenge of emergency calls only, as you see right there. So today I'm going to guide you on how to fix it. So what you need is to come to your phone settings. So right here you will tap on connections. So after that you will tap on SIM manager. So right here you will first turn off the SIM card that shows emergency calls. So you turn it off first and then turn it on. So tap on it and then turn it on. So after that you will go back and then come to mobile networks. So after that you will tap on network operators. So you will select, so I will select SIM2 and then tap on scan because it's the one that shows emergency calls. So right here you will select the network that the SIM card was using. So that for me it was Airtel. So after that you will check your phone. So as you see, my SIM2 does not show emergency calls. So that's how you can fix it within minutes.